Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Cymbiotika subscription. Okay, so basically Cymbiotika is a very popular platform, and when you buy product on their website they will activate subscription in some cases if you forget to untick the option subscribe and save. Okay, so how you can cancel it? Basically you just need to simply type, or you just need to simply visit on their contact us page, and when you are on their contact us page you will see this kind of options. Okay, in the options there is a option like cancel subscription. Okay, you need to select this option, and once you select this option it will pop up this kind of window. To cancel your subscription you need to log in into your account. Okay, and once you click on login, you need to provide credentials, and you need to, when you are on the subscription page, you can cancel it, you can pause it, or you can skip the deliveries. Okay, so you can do anything. Now if you are facing any issue, you are not able to visit on the page like subscription, you are not able to find the subscription page and all, so how you can cancel it? Basically you can contact with the customer support team by using chat with us button, and when you contact them you need to ask, like you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your subscription. They will cancel it, okay, after verification of your account. Okay, and please don't forget to, you can select ask a proof of cancellation on your same email ID. If you don't get any email from their side, it means your subscription is still active, and you need to keep in touch consistently, and you can until you don't get any proof of cancellation. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.